Alright, so we're giving you an update on our latest projects. Where we construct, we pay attention to every details, and this is what our client expects from us. You can see every details on this construction. Alright, so I'm going to be taking you through sites. You can see, so this is the entrance pouch. Alright, you can see we've done the decking for the first floor. Yeah, so this is the ante room. This is the ante room. So for you that are engaging in our construction services, expect us. Those are visitors' toilets. We pay good attention to details in our work. Next construction. So this is the guest room. There's the guest room. And that's its baths there. Okay. So house. So there's the living room. So spacious. It has a void. This is the living room. And that's the dining section. That's the dining section. And there's the way to the kitchen. You can see our construction work are perfect. Perfect. The block work, the civil work, the electrical work, all perfect. So there's the kitchen. There's a kitchen. There's a door. Here's the exit door. So the kitchen, the maid's room. So that's the maid's room. If we decide to introduce the door outside, it becomes a PQ. But this is the maid's room. We're going to be inside the house. Alright, and that's WC. So what of half this. I'm going upstairs, and you can see a staircase. Perfect. So perfect. We're currently at the first floor. So the void, look down to the room. We're currently on the first floor. So you can downstairs to the home for that we have now in our project here at GRA. So you can go into all the numbers on your screen. Contact Emiajeno access limit for construction work. We're going to give you the best. All specs there from us. So like and get someone is out there looking to company engage in the construction spaces. So do a shave our work. See how so perfect. Construction so perfect. So smart. Just look at. Alright. So the show I'm going to say Shagamu. There's a 5-bedroom duplex and 2 units to size. First one is ready and the first one we have the link there. So we're expecting numbers. So people down to the comment section and ask your questions. We'll take comment what you about our construction. Comment on about our construction work. I think take it from there. Alright. See you in the next one now.